Have you ever wondered what the deadliest places in the universe might be? It's a question that might seem odd at first, but when you consider the vastness of space and the countless celestial bodies it contains, it's a query that holds a certain chilling intrigue. Our universe is an immense expanse, a never-ending cosmic ballet of stars, galaxies, and nebulae. Amidst this vastness, there exist places of such extreme conditions that they defy our earthly understanding. These are the places where the very fabric of existence seems to warp and twist, where the fundamental laws of physics are pushed to their limits. When we speak of deadliness in the cosmos, we're not merely talking about places inhospitable to human life. We're talking about locations so extreme, so fundamentally dangerous, that they could tear apart the very atoms that make up our bodies. Imagine, if you will, a world where temperatures reach millions of degrees, hot enough to vaporize any known material. Or perhaps a place of such intense pressure that it would flatten you into a microscopic pancake within a fraction of a second. Or maybe you'd prefer a locale bathed in radiation, where even the briefest exposure would leave you glowing in the dark. But what precisely are the criteria for deadliness? How do we measure the hostility of a place that exists light years away from our own comfortable home planet? Well, we look for physical hazards, such as gravity wells so strong they could crush a spacecraft into a tin can. We consider extreme temperatures, both hot and cold, that could either incinerate you or freeze you solid in moments. And of course, we must account for high radiation levels that could rewrite your DNA in seconds, turning you into, well, something else entirely. The cosmos is a beautiful, awe-inspiring place, but it is also teeming with dangers beyond our wildest imaginations. So buckle up, space travelers, and prepare to leave the comfort of your earthly confines. Join us as we journey through the cosmos to explore the universe's most deadly destinations. Imagine a place so hot that everything you know would instantly vaporize. Welcome, my fellow space enthusiasts, to the second scene of our cosmic journey, where we delve into the searing heart of our solar system, the Sun. The Sun, a seemingly benign celestial body that illuminates our world, is a behemoth of extreme conditions. It's an inferno of mind-boggling heat and violent nuclear reactions, a place where no known material could withstand the scorching temperatures. Picture an environment where the surface temperature reaches a blistering 5,000 degrees Celsius, and you're still only scratching the surface. Venture deeper, and the Sun's core presents an even more terrifying spectacle. Here, temperatures skyrocket to 15 million degrees Celsius. At this unfathomable heat, hydrogen atoms collide and fuse to form helium, releasing immense amounts of energy in a process known as nuclear fusion. This nuclear furnace is the powerhouse of the Sun, the engine driving its radiant energy which sustains life on our planet. But the Sun's intense heat is not its only peril. It's also a factory of cosmic storms, brewing up solar flares and coronal mass ejections. Solar flares, the Sun's tempestuous tantrums, are sudden flashes of increased brightness, releasing energy equivalent to millions of hydrogen bombs. These solar eruptions can send a wave of radiation hurtling towards our planet, disrupting our communication systems and posing a threat to astronauts in space. Then there are the coronal mass ejections, the Sun's most powerful solar particle eruptions. These are colossal bubbles of gas and magnetic field shot out from the Sun at high speed. If directed towards Earth, they can cause geomagnetic storms, damaging power grids and satellites. The Sun, in all its fiery glory, is a testament to the universe's extreme and deadly nature. It's a place of sheer power and unforgiving heat, where matter is reduced to plasma and survival is a concept that simply doesn't exist. So while the Sun's warmth nurtures life on Earth, venturing too close would mean a quick and certain end. Surviving here is simply an impossibility. What if we told you there's a place in our solar system that can crush you in an instant? Welcome to Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system and a veritable pressure cooker of immense gravity and violent storms. To put things into perspective, Jupiter's gravitational pull is more than 2.5 times that of Earth's. That's akin to a person who weighs 100 pounds on Earth, suddenly weighing 250 pounds on Jupiter. Not exactly a weight gain anyone would be thrilled about, but the pressure isn't just about gravity. It also comes from the layers and layers of gas and clouds that make up Jupiter's turbulent atmosphere. Imagine a gas so dense that it behaves like a metal. That's what you'd find deep inside Jupiter. We're talking about hydrogen, a gas we usually think of as light and airy, compressed under such enormous pressure that it exhibits properties of both a liquid and a metal. And let's not forget the violent storms that rage in Jupiter's atmosphere. The most famous of these is the Great Red Spot, a storm that's been swirling for at least 300 years. It's so big that you could fit 2 Earths inside it. And with wind speeds of up to 300 miles per hour, this is a storm that makes the most severe hurricanes on Earth look like gentle breezes. But it's not just the Great Red Spot. Jupiter is dotted with numerous other storms, all churning and swirling in the planet's atmosphere, creating a kaleidoscope of color and chaos. And to add to the danger, Jupiter's rapid rotation, the fastest of any planet in the solar system, whips these storms into a frenzy. So, if you're ever planning a trip to Jupiter, you might want to rethink your travel plans. Between the crushing gravity, the metal-like gas, and the violent storms, it's a place that's as deadly as it is beautiful. Jupiter, a gas giant with a pressure-packed punch. How about a place where the very air you breathe could kill you? Welcome to the realm of the pulsars, the spinning neutron stars that emit beams of deadly radiation. Pulsars are fascinating celestial bodies, the remnants of massive stars that have exploded in spectacular supernovae. They're incredibly dense, with a teaspoon of pulsar matter weighing as much as a mountain. But what makes them particularly deadly is their radiation. These cosmic lighthouses emit beams of electromagnetic radiation, which we can detect here on Earth when they're pointed in our direction. It's similar to how a lighthouse works, with its beam visible only when it points towards you. But you wouldn't want to be anywhere near the beam of a pulsar. This radiation is extreme, to say the least. It's so intense that it would instantly ionize an unprotected human body, causing catastrophic cellular damage. Even if you managed to survive the initial blast, the radiation poisoning would soon take its toll. The pulsar at the heart of the Crab Nebula, for instance, spins 30 times a second and emits radiation 1,000,000 times more intense than our sun. If you found yourself within a few hundred kilometers of this pulsar, the dose of radiation would be fatal within seconds. Even from a safe distance, pulsars are dangerous. Their intense magnetic fields accelerate particles to nearly the speed of light, creating deadly cosmic rays. These rays can travel vast distances across the universe, posing a threat even to distant worlds. But let's not forget the silver lining. Pulsars also provide us with a wealth of scientific knowledge. They're used to test the laws of physics, detect gravitational waves, and even search for alien life. So, while pulsars are undoubtedly some of the deadliest places in the universe, they're also among the most intriguing. These cosmic lighthouses, with their lethal beams of radiation, serve as stark reminders of the universe's violent and chaotic nature. Pulsars, the universe's most lethal lighthouses. Ever thought about what it would be like to be swallowed whole by the universe itself? Well, let's delve into the dark and mysterious world of black holes, the ultimate cosmic devourers that lurk in the shadows of the universe. Black holes are regions in space where gravity's pull is so powerful that nothing, not even light, can escape their clutches. Born from the remnants of massive stars that have collapsed under their own gravitational weight, these cosmic beasts are truly a force to reckon with. Imagine gravity as a sheet of rubber. Put a marble on it, and it creates a small dent. Now replace that marble with a bowling ball. The dent becomes a deep well. That's what happens when a star collapses into a black hole. It's like the bowling ball on the sheet, creating a well so deep that nothing can climb out. One of the most intriguing and quite literally stretching phenomena associated with black holes is spaghettification. Picture this, you're falling feet first into a black hole. The pull of gravity on your feet is so much stronger than the pull on your head that you're stretched out like a piece of spaghetti. Don't worry though, you won't be around to experience this extreme yoga, as you'd be torn apart long before reaching this point. Then we have the event horizon, the point of no return. It's like the edge of a waterfall. Once you cross it, there's no swimming back against the current. Anything that crosses this boundary is lost to the black hole, consumed entirely and added to its mass. But don't let their deadly nature fool you. Black holes play a crucial role in the universe. They help in the formation of galaxies and are key to understanding the very fabric of space and time. So there you have it, the enigmatic black holes, terrifying, fascinating, and a testament to the immense power of the universe. They're the ultimate cosmic devourers, swallowing everything that dares to get too close. Black holes, the ultimate cosmic devourers. Can you envision a place where the very air is corrosive and the rain is sulfuric acid? Welcome to Venus, the second planet from the Sun in our solar system. Contrary to its namesake, the Roman goddess of beauty and love, Venus is far from being a heavenly body. It's a world of extreme conditions, a testament to the deadly beauty of the cosmos. Imagine stepping foot on Venus. Instantly, you'd be greeted by a scorching temperature that averages around 865 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than the surface of Mercury, even though it's closer to the Sun. This intense heat is a result of a runaway greenhouse effect, where the planet's thick atmosphere traps the Sun's heat, creating an unbearable inferno. But the heat is just the beginning. The atmospheric pressure on Venus is around 92 times greater than Earth's. That's about the same pressure you'd experience almost a kilometer deep in Earth's oceans. This crushing pressure, combined with the scalding temperature, makes Venus a literal pressure cooker. If that doesn't sound harsh enough, let's talk about the planet's atmosphere. It's composed mainly of carbon dioxide, with clouds of sulfuric acid. Yes, you heard that right, sulfuric acid. This corrosive substance forms dense clouds that perpetually enshroud the planet, causing constant acid rain showers. The air you'd breathe, if you could call it that, is so dense and heavy it behaves more like a fluid than a gas. It's capable of carrying small rocks on its surface and would feel like being submerged underwater. Despite its hostility, Venus has a captivating allure. Its bright, yellowish glow makes it one of the most luminous objects in our night sky, a beauty that masks its deadly nature. It's a stark reminder that not all that glitters in our universe is gold. So next time you gaze up at the night sky and spot Venus, remember the harsh reality lurking beneath its radiant glow. Venus, our neighboring planet that is anything but neighborly. From the searing heat of the Sun to the crushing pressure of Jupiter, the deadly radiation of pulsars, the all-consuming black holes, and the poisonous atmosphere of Venus, the universe is full of places that are inhospitable to life as we know it. Our cosmic neighborhood is a thrilling yet perilous spectacle. We started with the Sun, the life-giving star at the center of our solar system. Its surface temperature exceeds 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit, and the core is even hotter, reaching a staggering 27 million degrees. The Sun's extreme heat and intense radiation make it an unsurvivable inferno for any known form of life. Then we ventured out to Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. Its beauty is deceptive, concealing a hostile environment. The immense pressure within Jupiter's atmosphere, which is thousands of times greater than Earth's atmospheric pressure at sea level, creates a pressure cooker that no living being could endure. The swirling storms and deadly radiation add to Jupiter's lethal charm. Next, we delved into the enigmatic world of pulsars, the rapidly rotating remnants of massive stars that have exploded as supernovae. Pulsars emit beams of deadly radiation that could wipe out any life form instantly. These cosmic lighthouses, while fascinating, are among the most lethal environments in the universe. Our journey then took us to the mysterious and fearful black holes. These cosmic phenomena, born from the death of massive stars, have gravitational pulls so powerful that nothing, not even light, can escape their grasp. They are the ultimate roach motels of the universe. Anything that checks in never checks out. Lastly, we landed on Venus, Earth's toxic twin. Despite its similarity in size and structure to our home planet, Venus is a lethal world with a suffocating atmosphere, composed mainly of carbon dioxide with clouds of sulfuric acid. Its surface temperature can melt lead, and its air pressure is equivalent to being about half a mile underwater on Earth. These deadly places across the cosmos serve as stark reminders of the incredible diversity and danger that exists beyond our earthly confines. They are testament to the universe's inherent hostility to life as we know it. reinforcing how incredibly lucky we are to live on a planet that, against all the odds, is just right for our existence. They also serve to highlight the importance of protecting our unique home. As we venture further into space and learn more about these deadly environments, it becomes increasingly clear that our blue planet is a rare gem in a universe full of inhospitable worlds. When it comes to the universe, it's a beautiful yet deadly marvel, full of places that remind us just how precious and unique our own little blue planet truly is. We must cherish and protect it, for in the vast cosmic ocean, there's no place like home.